Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to disable autoplay videos on LinkedIn, ensuring a more controlled and less distracting experience while you browse. Whether you're looking to save data or simply prefer not to have videos play automatically, these steps will guide you through the process. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, look for the Me icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to accessing your account settings. After tapping on the Me icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new interface where you can adjust various preferences related to your LinkedIn account. Next, navigate to Account Preferences. This section contains several options that allow you to customize your LinkedIn experience. Scroll down until you find the Display section. Under Display, click on Autoplay Videos. Here, you'll see different options regarding how you want videos to behave when they appear in your feed. To stop videos from automatically playing, select Never Autoplay Videos. This setting will ensure that no videos play unless you choose to click on them manually. Once you've made this selection, your changes will be saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully disabled autoplay videos on LinkedIn. Now you can scroll through your feed without being interrupted by unexpected video playback. Remember, this simple adjustment can help conserve your mobile data and create a more pleasant browsing experience. If you ever want to change this setting back or adjust it further, just follow these same steps. Thank you for joining me today. Enjoy a more focused and tailored experience on LinkedIn without those pesky autoplay videos distracting you.